Alright, I'm going to do a quick video here on how to dial in a vise on the mill. One thing I want to talk about first is before you start anything, it's probably a good idea that we put a little bit of tension on the saddle here so that when we are smacking in the vise, that if there's any play in the table on the saddle, that we've taken that out. Otherwise, what we're going to do is cause a condition that we will be chasing ourselves. Go ahead and loosen up the bolts, pull your vise back. I like to push it forward and then just slightly pull it back. I come over, I tighten one side. Bring my indicator down. Vise up to the indicator. Preload it slightly. If you'd like, for ease, set the dial to 0. Travel the indicator across the vise jaw to the other side. Tap on the base of the vise. This is low, so we need to bring it up to the indicator. So I'm going to tap on it here. Bring it to that 0. At this point, I'm going to forget the indicator and I'm coming back to the other side. Move the vise off, then come back and preload that indicator. Set it to 0. Ensure that I'm tight. I'm going to run this to the other side again. First time when we ran it to the other side, we didn't even touch the indicator. This time we are about 3/1000ths. Again, I'm going to tap on it on the base. I'm going to bring that up to the 0. This time I'm going to snug up the opposite side. And run my indicator back. On this one here, I can pay attention a little bit to the dial. Back over to the other side. If you want to, you can preload your indicator. And set that to 0, and we're going to run over to the other side again. And right now we're within 5/10ths. So I can go ahead and re-snug this. Tighten it up. When I did, it slightly moved the indicator, but I'm sure that we're going to be within the 1/1000th that's allowed even at this point for your measurement test, so you can see in a short amount of time I made it within time and within the tolerance. Of course, we can do a little better. Like I said, when I retightened it, moved a little, so all you'd have to do at this point here would be just to tap it in a little bit more using the same method we just did. There you go.